Hi, welcome to Learn English and Practice with Marie. Today we're going to do American English Idioms lesson number 85. We'll go through 5 idioms and review their meanings, a couple of examples, and we'll finish with a story so we can hear the idioms in context. This is a series, so if you like this video, subscribe for more. Let's get started. First, I'll read the idioms. Over my dead body, change gears, dive headfirst into something, field day, slippery slope. First, over my dead body. This means absolutely not. So it's a pretty dramatic idiom, and it's also a very common idiom. I know the imagery of a dead body is disturbing, but to say over my dead body is to say the only way you're going to do what you're wanting to do is if I am literally dead. So, like I said, it's a very common one, and Americans use it all the time. So, for example, if someone is trying to execute a risky plan, like, oh, we're lost in the woods, let's leave our backpacks and all of our supplies and walk around to try to get help, you might say, oh, over my dead body, we're not going to abandon all of our supplies. Examples are, selling the family farm will happen over my dead body, Grandpa said firmly. They'll tear down that old historic library over my dead body. Change gears. This means shift strategies quickly. So a car or a motorcycle or any sort of motor vehicle can operate with gears. And I know I personally prefer automatic cars, but in manual cars, you do have to shift gears. You have to do that with the clutch. You have to do it manually. So to change gears is to make an adjustment. It's to change in a fundamental way and go in a different sort of direction with what you're doing. So you might shift gears in a business setting mid-project, or you might decide, oh, we need to move from planning to execution. Let's shift gears. Examples are, after months of planning, the team decided it was time to change gears and focus on execution. When the discussion became too heated, she tried to change gears and move to a new topic. Dive headfirst into something. This means start something enthusiastically without caution. So when you dive into a pool or a lake, you are typically going in head first. That is what diving is. It's to have no caution, and it's just to go for it without any sort of extra care or steps. So starting a role, a new job with no training would be diving in head first, or getting into a new job and launching a huge project immediately. That would be diving head first into something. There's that implication of a little bit of carelessness, but also it can be a little bit complimentary, the idea that you're willing to take things on immediately. Examples are, he chose to dive headfirst into starting his own business. After graduating, she decided to dive headfirst into her first full-time job. Field day. This means to experience something enjoyable, often by exploiting a specific opportunity, scandal, or advantage. So to have a field day means to have a big sort of exciting moment that is at the expense of someone else. So the media reacting to a scandal would be the media having a field day with whatever news story it was. Examples here are, the journalists had a field day covering the scandal involving the politician. Social media users had a field day with the latest celebrity blunder. Slippery slope. This means a dangerous path that leads to trouble. So a slope, a ski slope, will be slippery, it'll be icy, it'll be slick. So something that's a slippery slope is going to involve one thing leading to another thing and leading to another thing. So the concept of being wary of a slippery slope is you don't want to make exceptions for the small things because relaxing the rules will lead to bigger problems. And those small compromises are going to escalate over time. Examples are allowing students to retake tests could be a slippery slope leading to a lack of accountability. Some argue that censoring certain content is a slippery slope toward limiting free speech. So let's read a story so we can hear the idioms in context. The CEO stood firm, declaring, "Over my dead body will this company be taken over." Her team knew they had to shift gears, knowing they needed to protect jobs while resisting the lucrative offer. The only solution was to dive headfirst into understanding the company's declining profits, a topic everyone avoided at meetings. As the media had a field day with speculating about the future, the board worried that accepting the offer might start a slippery slope toward losing their independence entirely. Again, those idioms are over my dead body, change gears, dive headfirst into something, field day, slippery slope. Great job today. There are other videos like this on this channel, and more are coming soon. I'll put playlists and videos right here, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye!